This is an updated video of the English Bulldogs. Okay. This one right here is Bunny. She's a girl. And then this one here is Barley, and she's a girl. And here's Potter. He's a boy. He's got a polka dot on his head. And then Tank is right here. And he's the only one that's like mostly that fawn color. And he's got loads of wrinkles. Come here, show off your wrinkles. You a big boy. Yeah, I've got tons of winkies. Look at all them things. And then Barley is like a lighter fawn color. She's got wrinkles too. Boy, she still got wrinkles. And then Potter's got wrinkles too. Hey, Tank. Potter, what are you doing? Hey, Tank. Bunny. Get in there, Barley. Oh, big girl. Look at Bunny's face. So, I'm a cute girl. Yes. That big old nose rope. What you doing, Potter? What? What? There's the boy. Look at that big sweet face. You look like your daddy. Just like him. Potter, what are you doing? Oh, I know what you're doing. You smell your mama in there. Should we let her out? Huh? Should we let mama out? Fifi. Oh gosh, she's going crazy. You want your mommy. Oops. Alright. Fifi. Come here, Fifi. Look, your babies want you. Hey, Fifi. Your babies want you. Oh. Oh, come here, Fifi. You gonna play with that ball? Silly girl. Oh, still a big girl. You gonna show them how you play? Yeah, here, this is how you play, guys. Here you go, Fifi. Fifi, come on, baby. Come on.